Mateo Garcia with Be Nice Media. And one thing I learned by participating in the creator community is creating YouTube videos on trending topics. So let's go to Google Trends and see what's trending now. So Taylor Swift is #1 trend in the last 24 hours. So I'm going to compare my YouTube creator tool for creating trending titles with ChatGPT, with Grok, and with Gemini here. So let's go ahead and since Taylor Swift is trending, let's go ahead and just put in this prompt here for Gemini. Give me some title options for a YouTube video I'm working on about Taylor Swift summer. Okay, so we're going to submit that and see what titles it comes up with. Cool summary, Taylor Swift story, the Eras tour made my summer a love story. So these are some titles. They're, talking about summer in 2025, but they're kind of general and vague here. Okay, so let's go to Grok as well. Put in the same prompt. Give me some title options for a YouTube video I'm working on about Taylor Swift summer. All right, so Taylor Swift sizzling summer. These titles are good, but there's really nothing up, current. It's just kind of giving some good keywords for Taylor Swift here. Now let's go to ChatGPT, put in the same prompt. Taylor Swift's $1 billion summer, Taylor Swift summer of fame, fortune, romance. Okay, so these are once again all good titles as well, but nothing current. Now let's go to my YouTube Creator AI tool, put in the same prompt, generate titles. Mine's going to take slightly longer because it's going to be pulling up Google Trends and what's going on really today with Taylor Swift and what she was up to this summer. Okay, so be patient with the titles, but you're going to get some good titles on the first time, so you don't have to mess with it or do some additional editing or to do some research to make sure the titles are current and up to date here. Okay, so it's going to give us some titles. Okay, Taylor Swift's August 2022 album announced, and if you Google this right now, Taylor Swift just announced a new album. Taylor Swift's album Secrets, The Life of a Showgirl, Taylor Swift Summer Bombshell, Taylor Swift Summer upgrading her latest era. So these give us 5 titles that are up to date with what's going on. So let's go to Taylor Swift, and these are all the trends. Taylor Swift's new album, Taylor Swift's Life of a Showgirl. So our titles here are creating titles within what Google Trends is doing. So if people search these and you're doing a video on them, they're going to come up. Okay, so let's go ahead and generate a description as well. And once you put in this prompt once up here, it'll fill into all the other ones. So let's generate a description to make sure this also pulls up some current trending items. Once again, be a little patient with it, but it's going to give you a good description, a good title, the first time. So Taylor Swift's making headlines this August with electronic news. Her summer highlighted by her 12th studio album. Get all the details. Travis and Kelsey's New Heights podcast. So this is all current, up to date within the description here. Okay, so if you like the description for your video, you can copy it and place it right into your video description. You can save this to your notes. It'll come down to your scratch pad, and you can save this for later here. Same with the titles as well. So if you're a YouTube creator creating videos on trending topics, once again, all these tools are great. They're going to give you some good keyword heavy titles, but if people are going to be searching trending topics and you're doing videos on that, check out YouTube Creator AI. It's totally free. There is a lifetime access for a one-time payment. Thank you.